Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing your progress and clearing obvious blockers. First, backup saves to iCloud or the developer account so nothing is lost. Once done, free 2 GB of storage. Games often crash when space runs low. Next, force close the app and restart your iPhone. This clears cached processes that cause instability. Finally, check and install any pending iOS update because system fixes and performance patches often resolve crashes immediately. Now you focus on deeper configuration and file integrity. Open settings and confirm the game has necessary permissions. Missing access can cause unexpected exits during runtime. If permissions are fine, offload the app to remove corrupted binaries while keeping data. Reinstall from the App Store to get fresh files. For online games, reset network settings if you still see crashes. Packet loss or DNS issues can trigger the app to freeze. Make sure to sign back into Wi-Fi and finally, adjust system behavior and gather diagnostics. Turn off background app refresh and disable low power mode to let the game use full CPU and GPU. Sometimes performance throttling causes crashes. If crashes persist, collect crash logs, connect to Mac OS Xcode, or use the device analytics screen, and send them to the developer with steps to reproduce. As a last resort, reinstall iOS and then restore your backup. This clears deep system corruption, but only do it after you've tried the other steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.